Yeah, good morning, guys. Let me share my screen. Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Yesterday we have discussed about SDLC models. How many models is there in SDLC? We are having two types of models.
Two
What are
models.
those? One is sequential model and second one is the incremental model.
Incremental.
Coming to sequential model, again it is divided into two types. One is waterfall model and second one is the V model.
V model.
Coming to these two models belongs to small size applications.
Fast size.
Okay.
Yes.
Coming to incremental model is belonging
Big
to
size.
big size applications.
Big size.
Incremental model, we are having different types of
Oh.
model like spiral model, RAD model, prototype model, and most
Agile.
popular one is Agile model.
Agile model.
Yesterday we have seen about RAD model. Today we will see about spiral.
Spiral.
Today we will see about spiral model. Okay, coming to spiral model, when we go for spiral model means whenever the customer requirements are frequently changing. Okay, when we go, suppose the customer is frequently changing the requirement. Okay, he is also not sure. I don't want this requirement. You need to implement this requirement. At that time, what we have to go? We have to go for spiral model. If the customer is frequently changing the requirements, when we have to go, guys?
Frequently.
Okay, suppose here my receipts is there. Okay, instead of my receipts, I need another field here. Okay, after 5 days or 10 days, he will come. Okay, I don't want this requirement. Need to implement another requirement. At that time, what is happening? Every time it is frequently changing. Okay, what is that? Every time the customer requirement are frequently changing. Then which model you are going to use?
Spiral model.
Okay, what is the use of model? It is suitable for big size applications. Is suitable for big size applications and whenever customer requirements are frequently changing. Customer requirements are frequently changing. Then we have to go for which model?
Spiral model.
Yeah, frequently changing. Then we have to go for spiral model.
Spiral
model is required. Okay. When we have to go, whenever the customer requirements are frequently changing, then we have to go for spiral model. Okay. Or you can say requirement by requirement. Okay. Or requirement by requirement will be added. Coming to my receipts, see here what is there. Previously only such option only they have kept. After that, they have kept as customer requirement. They have kept as delete receipt. Like example, everyone is using WhatsApp, I think. Most probably 99.9% is using WhatsApp. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Coming to 2 years back, only WhatsApp chat only is available. It's observed.
Yeah.
Anyone?
Yes.
Okay. Nowadays, you can keep the status. Yes or no? You can make calls. You can make the video calls and you can make the audio calls as well. If net is available, you can make the video calls and audio calls. Okay. Nowadays, what happened? It is
amount also sent.
It is providing amount also. We can transfer amount also. Requirement by requirement is added. Yes or no?
Updated. Yes.
Updated. Okay. That is called as spiral model.
Spiral model.
Okay. Or you can say it as requirement by requirement will be added. Requirement by requirement will be added. And it is best suitable for long-term projects.
Long-term projects.
It is best suitable for long-term projects. WhatsApp is just only 1 year project.
No, long-term. It's a running project.
projects. Okay, long-term and maintenance project. Coming to IT organization, what are the long-term projects? Can anyone?
Banking projects,
Banking projects and insurance projects are long.
health projects also long term, right?
Yeah, that's one only. Health and insurance, those all comes under, okay, long term. Okay, mainly banking, insurance, okay, hospitality applications, those things comes under long term projects. What are the long term projects, guys?
Banking, banking and health, insurance and hospitality.
Hospitalities, those things comes under long term projects. Okay, guys, understanding?
Yes, understand.
Okay, if there is a long term project, maintenance also is needed. Okay, yes or no? Maintenance is needed. Suppose
Yes.
WhatsApp is have added one requirement after 6 months or 1 year. What the 6 months they are going to do? They are going to maintain. What they are going to do? They are going to maintain the things. Suppose payment is came. Now what they are doing? They are going to do something else. Yes or no? Up to at that time, what they are doing? They are going to maintain the applications. If any issues is there or not, any bug fixes is there or not, anything customer is facing issues or not, those kind of things they are maintaining. Yes or no? At the same time, implementation also going. Guys, understanding?
Yes.
Okay, those are called as long-term and maintenance projects. Okay, coming to advantages, what are the advantages? Sorry, what are the advantages? It is
Yeah, it's
suitable
for
for big
big
size
size of
applications. It is suitable for big size applications, and it is suitable for maintenance projects. It is a maintenance project. Yes or no?
yes.
Suppose WhatsApp is there. Okay, every day you are getting new requirement.
No.
No. When you are getting after 5 months or 4 months or 3 months, you are getting one requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
That too you don't know. If it is a popular means you know. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. It is suitable for maintenance projects. It is suitable for maintenance projects. Any more advantages?
Yeah, we can use it for long term.
Yeah, it is a long-term applications. It is a long-term applications. Yeah. Coming to disadvantages, what are the different disadvantages here? It is not suitable for which size applications?
Small size applications.
Is not suitable for small size applications.
It is frequently changed, so that's also one disadvantage, right?
Yes, not frequently changing. See here, every time it is adding the requirement. Yes or no? Suppose
Yeah.
first search is there. Okay, if he don't want search means again he have to modify. Okay, suppose here it is coming. I don't want here. Okay, I need here only. Okay, like that of modifications will come. Understood?
Yeah.
Coming to what is the different disadvantage? It is a expensive model. Why? Every day we are not going.
Maintenance some.
We are not going to maintain. See here what happening. What I am saying. It is a expensive model. When they are going to deploy the build into production server, it take a lot of months, maybe 2 months or 3 months. Okay, if any requirement needed means they are going to maintain 1 month or 2 months. Suppose like banking sector is there. When they are going to add the new requirements, they won't add most probably. They even don't change the UI also. If anyone is observed, if you are using internet banking means they won't change the page also, UI page. Okay. If accounts is there, accounts only will be. Deposits is there, deposits only will be. They won't change, they won't touch anything. Yes or no? Banking related things. Why? Because there is a lot of customers is available. Okay, already we have edited to that UI page. Okay, if you change that UI page means lot of customers will confuse again. Yes or no? They won't do
Yes.
anything. Okay, they will upgrade to next versions. That's it. Okay, they won't change anything. So that is very expensive model. Banking projects are very expensive and it is a time taking process. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
Any doubts on spiral model? Hello,
Yeah.
any doubts on spiral model?
No.
Coming to next model is prototype model. What is
Prototype.
prototype model? Yeah. Coming to prototype model, what is meant by prototype? Okay, instead of developing actual application, we are going to deploy which application? We are going to prepare dummy application. Okay, what is meant by prototype? Instead of developing actual application, what you are going to develop? Guys, what you are going to develop? You are going to develop the dummy application. Guys, understanding? Why?
Yes.
Because if there is a lot of requirements, okay, if there is a lot of requirements and those requirements are confusing for you, okay, those requirements are confusing for you. At that time, what you are going to do? I am not directly implementing in my application. Instead of this application, what I am doing, I will prepare one more application that is called as dummy application. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
Okay, suppose if you are I will do mistakes. Okay, you suppose think I know I can do mistakes. At that time, what you are going to do? I will keep the copy. Yes or no? I will keep the copy. I won't touch this one. Instead of this one, I will create one more test file. On the test file only I am going to write. Okay, if it is success means then I am going to implement under main project. Guys, understood? Like carbon copy. Anyone knows?
Yeah.
Like that. ఓకే, సపోజ్ మీరు మిస్టేక్ చేస్తారని తెలుసు. ఎట్ దట్ టైం మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? యాక్చువల్ అప్లికేషన్ లో కాకుండా డమ్మీ అప్లికేషన్ లో ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి తర్వాత మనం యాక్చువల్ అప్లికేషన్ లో మూవ్ అవుతాం. దేనికని? దేర్ ఈస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ టు యూ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారండి? వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ అనదర్ file or another requirement file. Guys, understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that is called as proto. What is meant by prototype? It is also best suitable for big size applications. Yeah, coming to prototype model. What is use of prototype model? In this model, instead of developing actual application, what application we are going to prepare?
Dummy application.
Yeah, we are going to prepare dummy application. In this model, instead of developing actual application based upon confusing requirements. At that time, what you are going to do? Confusing the requirements. At that time, we are going to prepare a dummy. Okay, you can say it as dummy or you can say it as sample application. Okay, guys, see, there is a lot of requirements is there. Okay, suppose think there is a lot of requirements is there in this page. What you are going to do? Same page I am going to create in another application. What I am doing? Same page I am going to create in the another application. On that application, I am going to do the changes. Where I am doing. In this application, I am not touching anything. Guys, understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I am not touching anything. Instead of not touching anything, I am going to prepare another application. Okay. If it is success means, then I am going to implement in this application. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Instead of developing actual application, we are going for dummy application. Okay. Up to when we are going to accept that thing? Once customer is accepted. Once customer is accepted. Once customer is accepted based upon sample requirements. Based upon the sample requirements. When when we are going to prepare? Once customer accepted,
Accepted.
we are going to implement. Once customer is accepted, then we are going to implement in which application?
Actual application.
Okay, once customer is accepted, okay, this requirement is fine for me. You can implement, okay, in our actual application. Okay. At that time, we are going to implement where we have to implement.
Sample application.
Yeah, actually sample application is they have accepted.
Okay.
Then where we have to implement?
In the main application.
Main application we have to implement. Okay. Once customer is accepted based on sample requirements, okay, all implementation activities carried out step by step. Implementation activities will be carried out step by step. Step by step. Into which application? In
Main application.
okay, we can say it as main application. Here nothing is there, guys. What is meant by prototype? Instead of developing the actual application, we are going to have the dummy application. Okay. Once the customer is accepted that requirement, we are going to implement same requirement in where? In our actual application or main application. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
If customer is not satisfied, then what you are going to do?
Again, we are creating another dummy application.
Again, we are going to create. We are going to change the requirement process. Up to where? Up to when we are going to change?
Until the customer accepts.
Until customer accepted. Very good. Okay. If customer is not accepted, then what you are going to do? Not accepted or not satisfied. Okay. Again, we are going to change the requirements. Again, change the requirements. Up to when we have to change the requirements? Up to customer acceptance. Okay, will be implemented up to customer acceptance. Got it? Any doubts? Prototype? Understood? Or any more doubts?
Yes.
Guys, each and everyone understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here nothing is there. What is meant by prototype? Instead of developing actual application, we are going to develop one of the dummy application. Why? Because there is a lot of requirements which is confusing for us. At that time, we are going for dummy applications. Got it? Once it is accepted by the customer, at that time, what we are going to do? Once it is accepted by the customer, then what we are going to do? Same implementations.
We are developing.
We are going to add it in the main applications. Okay, same thing. What are the things you have done in the dummy application? Same activities we are going to implement in our main application. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Coming to advantages, what are the advantages?
Suitable for big size applications.
It is suitable for big size applications. Anything else? It is suitable for big size applications.
So, and also, sir, in this we will not get any others. Like we are creating dummy application.
If
right?
customer is confusing, okay, if you are confusing requirement on the sample, we can continue the implementation. Yes or no? See, I have prepared the sample application. Okay, I have prepared the sample application. Okay, the customer told I have implemented a lot of requirements in the sample. Okay, he is going to check each and everything. Okay, once he told this is okay, we can implement same thing in our main application, right? Instead of this all things, we can implement same thing in our main application, right? Okay, once he have verified means same thing we can implement in our main application. Yes or no? Instead of waiting each and everything, he can check one by one. If he check means we can implement same thing in our main application. Yes or no? Guys, understanding?
Yes, sir.
It is best suitable for big size applications. We can implement activities here. We can implement the activities based upon customer requirements. Which is accepted. ఏదైతే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారో ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ని we are going to implement. Got it? Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay, which is he told okay. At that time we are going to implement same things in our main application. Coming to disadvantages, what are the different disadvantages?
Not suitable for small size applications.
It is not suitable for small size
Okay.
applications. Is not suitable for small size applications. Anything else? It is a time taking process. Why? Because I
Oh,
have
yeah.
dummy application and at the same time I have to implement in main application.
Main.
It is time taking process. Yes or no? I have
Yes,
to
sir.
implement in 2 times. Okay, it is a little bit time consuming. Yes or no? It is a time taking process. Why? Because we need to implement in 2 applications. Yes or no? It is a time taking process. Okay, anything else? Any doubts up to here? Guys, any more doubts from beginning to till day? Any more doubts? Hello.
No, no, sir.
Okay, now I am going to discuss about most popular model. What is that model? Agile model. Okay, this is most popular. You may face 2 or 3 interview questions in this Agile model. Okay, it is more important. Okay, which model?
Agile model.
Okay, first we will go for step by step one. Okay, how much time is there? 30 minutes, I think. Yeah, let's see. Okay, see, it is an incremental. It is incremental model. Which model? Agile model is belonging to incremental model. Okay, and it is best suitable for which size applications?
Big size applications.
Best suitable for big size applications.
Long-term projects also. Right?
It will take both long term and it may take short term also. Why? Because we are going to accept the challenges within 14 days, 2 to 4 weeks here. Okay. Whether it is a long-term applications, also we can maintain. Okay. Whether it is a short-term
Short
application,
term.
we can maintain here. Why? Because we are going to follow here sprints wise.
Sprint.
We are going to follow here sprints wise. Okay. What are the sprints? How it is coming? We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Got it. If there
Yeah.
is any confusion is there means they will be, we are going to interact to the customers directly. Okay. To whom we are going to connect? We are,
Yes.
we are going to connect to the customers. They will be the calls for us. Okay. Like weekly calls. Okay. If you have any confusion, we can schedule a call with them. Okay. To whom we can schedule? We can schedule a call with our customers. Okay. You don't need to schedule each and every week. There will be the call. Okay. In our organization, there will be every Wednesday. Okay. Every Wednesday, we have a client call. Okay. Every week or daily. Okay. In my organization, there is a no calls for daily to the customers. Okay. In my organization, we are having only Wednesday.
Weekly calls. Okay.
Wednesday. Okay. In every Wednesday, the client will join. If you are facing any problem related to those things, we are going to discuss on that call. Got it? Suppose if the development team has been implemented each and every requirement, okay, they are going to present the screen. Okay, I have implemented this all the activities. Is it fine or not? Any modification is required? Okay, any requirements are needed to add here? Okay, what those things will be shown to the development team. Okay, who will show this all things? Guys, who will show? Hello.
Yeah, team leads, right?
Huh? Your voice is not clear.
We are also showing our only team leads or project managers are only
You are
showing.
not- Okay, you won't show anything. Okay, what are the things you have done? Okay, those things will update to the team lead. Okay, మీరేం చేయరండి. ఓకే, మీరు ఏమైతే చేస్తారో అవి టీమ్ లీడ్ కి మీరు అసైన్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే,
Oh,
టీమ్ లీడ్ ఏం చేస్తారు, నెక్స్ట్ స్టేజ్ తీసుకెళ్తారు, లైక్ కస్టమర్ తో మాట్లాడతారు. ఓకే, యూ యూ వోంట్ టాక్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, the team lead is not able to represent. Okay, actually the team lead will represent. Okay, at rare cases. Okay, why? Because your problem this is, yes or no?
yeah, yes.
You
He's
know,
not aware of this, right?
yeah, you know much better than team lead. Why? Because you are working on this project, yes or no? Each and every day
Yes.
you are working on this thing. Okay, he knows, but he is not much aware because he is going to take care of each and everything person's activities. At that time, you have to enter into the picture. That is the rare case. Okay,
Okay.
guys,
Yes.
okay? That is a rare case. You no need to worry. Okay, you can show where the issue is facing. Okay? You can just share your screen and you can show the issue. Okay, that's it. Okay, if the development team is developer this each and everything, okay, they are going to represent their screen. Okay, I have implemented this all things. Any modifications are needed, any requirements are need to added. Okay, those all things will be discussed by developer. Same thing we have given, same thing once development is completed, the testing team will comes to the picture. What the test engineers will do, they are going
Testing the application.
they are going to test the applications based upon customer
Actual requirement.
based upon the customer requirement. We are going to test the application whether the customer is expected this one, what we are getting, actual value is getting or not. If it is not getting it, we are going to raise a defects.
Effect.
Okay, guys, understood? Suppose
Yes.
weekly calls, what are the weekly calls we are going to attend? Okay,
Scrum
this,
call.
see, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Okay. What I am going to discuss. In weekly calls, what you are going to discuss with the clients. Suppose I have received a bill from the development team. Okay, I am testing. Okay, testing activities is going on. Okay, already we have raised 45 issues in my receipts module. Still, we are raising some issues. Okay, like that of status, we are going to tell in the client calls. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
And the end meaning and the
We are
actual
also join the client calls or only team lead managers are join?
we have to join.
Okay.
Okay, that is depending upon your organization. Okay,
Got it.
in my organization, each and every team person have to join. Okay,
Okay.
that is depending upon organization level. Okay, we cannot say that thing. Got it?
Yeah.
But coming to Scrum call means we have to attend. Scrum call means we have to join with the team lead. Okay, and your team members. ఎవరైతే మీతో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళ టీం మెంబర్స్ అందరూ జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, దాంట్లో క్లయింట్ ఉండరు. ఓకే, ఎవరుంటారు? ఇంటర్నల్ పీపుల్.
Developers, testers.
No, won't come developers. Okay, only test engineers. Suppose 20 test engineers is there means all 20 test engineers have to join on that Scrum call. Okay, that is nothing but daily stand-up call. Okay, they won't be one-on-one. Okay, all 20 people have to join. What are the things they are working? Those things we have to inform to the lead.
Lead.
Okay, lead or manager. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, agile model is best suitable for size applications. It is an incremental model. This model is also same as waterfall model. Okay, what is agile model? This model is also same as waterfall model, but it is an advanced SDLC model. Okay, but it is a advanced SDLC model. Okay, this model activities looks like how
Waterfall.
this model activities looks like waterfall model only. Waterfall model. What is meant by waterfall model? The requirement by requirement will be carried out. Okay, requirement by requirement will be carried out. That is nothing but once a requirement is completed, we are going to design. Okay, once design is completed, we are going to
Coding.
the script. Okay, we are going to develop. Develop means coding. Okay, once developing is completed, we are going to test an application. Like that, each and everything we are going to follow step by step. Understood? Clear? Yeah.
Yes.
Coming to third point, in this model, both developers and test engineers. In this model, both developers and test engineers work along with whom? With whom we need to work? We are going to work with client representative people. Client representative people. With whom we are going to work, guys?
Client representation.
Representative people. Okay, that is nothing but మనకు పైన ఇంకో హెడ్ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, పైన హెడ్ ఉంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ టీమ్. వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారండి? ఎక్స్టర్నల్ టీమ్. ఇంటర్నల్ అంటే ఎవరు? సేమ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. ఇంటర్నల్ అంటే ఏంది? సేమ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అంటే ఏంది? క్లయింట్ సైడ్ పీపుల్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఇంటర్నల్ అంటే మీ లొకేషన్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళని ఇంటర్నల్ అంటారు. గైస్, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దిస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో. ఇంటర్నల్ టీమ్ అంటే ఎవరండి?
our locations.
ఎక్స్టర్నల్ టీమ్ అంటే యుఎస్, యూకే, క్లయింట్ సైడ్ పీపుల్. ఓకే, కొన్నిసార్లు టైం జోన్ అని అడుగుతారు. ఓకే, మీరు ఏదైతే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెడుతున్నారో ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్కడుంది? దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈస్ బిలాంగింగ్స్ టు విచ్ లొకేషన్? Suppose
Okay.
I am working on
UKR.
UK project. Okay, my project is belonging to UK. Okay, when they will join the call,
I
guys.
think afternoon 2 p.m.
Yeah, suppose now here time is 7:40. Okay, their time is, they will ask like that only. Okay, if you into the interviews, okay, like that of questions you may face. Okay, please check that one. Okay, UK timing is 4.5 hours. Okay, what is the time? మనకన్నా 4.5 hours ముందున్నారు వాళ్ళు. ఎవరున్నారు ముందు?
UK people
UK.
UK people. Okay, when they will join?
after
Suppose,
pass.
suppose wait 1 second, let me explain. Okay, suppose here our time is 10:30. There what is the
That
time?
time
2 o'clock.
2.
2:30. Okay, వాళ్ళ టైంలో 2 o'clock షెడ్యూల్ చేయాలంటే మన టైంలో ఎంత అది?
Morning 10.
ఓకే, అలా టైమింగ్ మనం షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండింగ్?
Yes.
ఓకే, IST మీన్స్ ఇండియన్
Indian Standard
Time.
Time.
ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ది హెడ్ ఆఫ్ UK? 4.5 hours.
Pass.
Okay, you may face that type of question also. Guys, why I am saying means, okay, someone is in the experienced people. For those people I am saying, guys, understood?
Yeah.
Please take care those kind of interview questions. If you are not aware, please ask. Okay,
India to UK 4.5 hours. India to America.
check,
12 hours.
man.
Okay. Sure.
Actually I am working in UK only. Okay,
Okay.
you have to check that thing. Got it?
Yeah.
What I am saying, in this model, both developers and the test engineers have to work with client representative people. Okay, coming to fourth point, in this model, module by module, module by module will be implemented up to end of the project, will be implemented up to end of the project. See guys, here, guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Here, what are the different types of modules we are having? See, this is considered as one module. Okay, this is considered as one module. This is considered as one module. This is considered as one module. How they are going to develop? They are going to develop module by module. Once this module is completed, then we are going for another module. Guys, clear? Up to when they are going to deploy like this, up to end of the project, they are going to work like this. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that is nothing but, suppose my receipts module లో ఏమేం రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఫస్ట్ ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని మనం నెక్స్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ కి వెళ్ళాలి, నెక్స్ట్ మాడ్యూల్ కి వెళ్ళాలి. అంతే కదండి? ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మై రిసిప్ట్స్ లో ఒక సర్చ్ ఆప్షన్ ఒకటి పెట్టారు. ఓకే, ఇది టఫ్ గా ఉందని చెప్పి మళ్ళీ నేను మై ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ లోకి వెళ్ళకూడదు. అవునా? వెళ్ళొచ్చా వెళ్ళకూడదా?
వెళ్ళకూడదు.
వెళ్ళకూడదు.
వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదా.
For ATM card, just 1 second, you have put in ATM card inside your machine. Okay,
Okay.
what your expectation? I need to withdraw money. Then what is the procedure?
Enter the pin.
Enter the pin. You have took 5,000 rupees. You will leave simply your ATM card like that, or you will take?
Will
Keep the
take.
money.
Will take, right? Okay, what are the requirements coming from the my receipts? Those things we have to complete. Okay, who particular people, okay, who is working on my receipts? I have told the explanation, right? 5 or 7 people will work on this requirement. Okay, remaining people will be considered as my transactions. Suppose development team is 20 to 30 people. Okay, how they are going to divide? Okay, 3 or 4 people will work on expenses. 3 or 4 people will work on my receipts, and 3 or 4 people will work on my transactions. They are going to split like that. Guys, understood?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay, those 3 people is dedicated for my receipts only. Okay, if any changes come, he have to work. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
Suppose any issues you have found, okay, we have to raise a defense to that particular concern team. Guys, understood? ఎవరైతే డెవలప్ చేశారో వాళ్ళకే మీరు అసైన్ చేయాలి. అవునా కాదు? వేరే వాళ్ళకి అసైన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుద్ది? డిలే అవ్వద్దు. ఏమవుద్ది? Delay. Why? Because he
He's
don't know.
not aware. He's
He
not
is-
aware of that.
He don't know. Actually, he did not develop that thing. Okay, who has been developed? That particular person have developed. Okay, if you assign to another person or another team means he is not aware of those things. Yes or no? If you post to particular concern person, then he will understand and he can fix. Yes or no?
Fix that. Yes.
Okay. So here we are going to develop module by module up to end of the project. Okay. And coming to fifth one, Agile model.
Yes. Scroll down, please.
Wait 1 second. Agile model has sub-modules. Okay, Agile model has sub-modules. Like Agile model has sub-modules. Like what are they? What are those? Agile model we are having sub-modules, which is following, which model? Scrum model. Here we are calling as a Scrum model. Okay, in interviews, you may face this type of question also. Okay, instead of Agile model, they may ask the which model? Scrum model. Both are same only. Agile model or Scrum model is same only. Got it?
Yes.
Coming to Scrum model has lot of activities. Scrum model has different activities. We are going to follow different activities here. And where? What are those? Agile model activities also same and Scrum model activities also same. This is nothing but another name for Agile.
Agile.
Okay. What are the different types of activities here? Is Scrum Master, user stories, Scrum meetings, sprint meetings, sprint plan. What are the sprint plan and Scrum meetings?
Sprint retrospective meetings.
Backlogs. Both are same only. Retrospective meeting and sprint meeting is both are same only. Okay.
Okay.
See, we are having different type of activities. What are the different types of activities? Scrum Master, user stories,
Some meetings.
Scrum meetings, sprint plan, backlogs. Okay, we are going to follow different types of activities here. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is your Scrum Master? I will explain, guys. Tomorrow I will explain in deeply. Okay, we have no time. I think. Who is your Scrum Master? This is you may see this of the interview question. This also an interview question. Who is your Scrum Master? Who is going to lead the project? Okay, who is going to lead the project? Those persons is called as Scrum Master. Guys, who is going to lead the project?
Team lead, right?
Team lead. Okay. Sometimes they may ask the team lead name also. Okay. You can say who is putting fake experience. They can tell different people name. Okay, they won't inquiry anything. Okay, don't struck anywhere. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, is it clear? What is meant by user stories? User stories అంటే ఏందండి? What is meant by user stories? What are the client requirements? What are the requirements which are capturing from clients? ఏమైతే రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారో క్లయింట్ దాన్నే ఏమంటారు?
User stories.
యూజర్ స్టోరీస్ అంటారు. ఓకే, కమింగ్ టు స్క్రమ్ మీటింగ్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ స్క్రమ్ మీటింగ్స్?
Daily scrum.
అవర్ డైలీ స్టాండప్ కాల్స్.
calls.
Our daily calls. With whom?
With managers or team leads.
Only with managers and with only team leads.
Everyone is.
Scrum masters.
Scrum master is nothing but team lead only, right?
Yeah.
Only you are going to add only your scrum master and manager.
No,
No,
all the
Client also.
testers.
So here client won't be. Okay, we have to.
This is local scrum meetings.
Yeah,
right?
local scrum means each and every person. Okay, suppose 15 test engineers is
Yes,
there.
right.
Okay,
Yeah.
they have to join. Okay, who have to join? All test engineers have to join the scrum call along with test lead and test manager.
Yeah.
Okay, here client won't come. Got it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
in this meeting what we are going to discuss?
Daily activities.
Daily activities. What are the things yesterday I have done? What are the things doing today? Okay, నిన్న ఏం చేసాం, ఈ రోజు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, డైరీ స్టాండ్ అప్పుడు 15 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, దే విల్ షెడ్యూల్ 45 minutes. They will schedule 45 minutes. Why? 15 or 20 people is there. Each person will take 2 minutes. Yes or no? At least 2 minutes. Guys,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
at least 2 minutes. Okay, 20 into 2, 40 minutes. Okay, they can schedule 45 like that minutes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Daily it will be. Okay, you have to speak out. So that's the reason I am saying try to speak out in the calls. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sprint meetings. What is meant by sprint? Here, sprint is nothing but we are going to deploy the build into production server. Okay, when we have to deploy. Okay, how many requirements we have to deploy? Those things will come into which meetings? Sprint meetings. Okay, actually sprint will deploy in within 2 to 4 weeks. How many weeks?
2 to 4.
2 to 4 weeks. What is meant by sprint plan? Sprint plan is nothing but it is a fixed time to complete the current task. It is a fixed time to complete the current task. Suppose 2 weeks ఉంది. Okay, the fixed time అన్నమాట. Okay, we have to complete the task. Okay, who will decide those things? Our scrum master will decide those things.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Guys,
Yes.
is it clear?
Yes.
Coming to backlogs. What is meant by backlogs? Backlogs. ఎక్కడైనా పేరు ఉన్నారండి?
కంప్లీట్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండదు.
సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతే బ్యాక్లాగ్.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఫెయిల్ అవటం కాదు, ఏమైతే
Complete.
కంప్లీట్ చేయలేనియో అవి బ్యాక్లాగ్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, సేమ్ యాజ్ అదే ఫెయిల్ అవుతాం చూసారా అవే. ఓకే, హియర్ దే వోంట్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారు, ఫెయిల్ అయితే మళ్ళీ ఎవరు రాయాలంటే ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్స్
మనమే రాయాలి.
మనమే రాయాలి. సో మీరు ఒక రిక్వైర్మెంట్ కానీ కంప్లీట్ గా చేయకపోతే ఎవరు టెస్ట్ చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ
మనమే టెస్ట్ చేయాలి.
మనమే టెస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దాన్నే బ్యాక్లాగ్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, దిస్ థింగ్ I will explain in deeply tomorrow. Okay, anyhow it won't complete today, so that's the reason I will tell tomorrow. If you have any queries or any questions, you can ask me. I'm stopping the recording up to here. And doubts unte adagandi.